today my mom's gonna be doing my hair with a Revlon hairbrush. Okay guys, so me and my mom, she's gonna be in the video doing my hair.
So we're gonna first brush your hair and like unknot it so that it won't hurt when I brush it. This is the brush that we're gonna use.
Yes.
And I heard it's very good. We tried it before, but not in a video.
Yeah, not in a video.
It's good, but for me, since I have a lot of hair, I always have to like pass the flat iron after, because I have like thick and a lot of hair. But for Aliana, she got thin hair, so it's like faster and it's like way better. Right?
Yeah. But she has long hair. More.
So what I do is, so I just split it and I start passing it little by little. This is actually a very good brush. Well, yeah, well, my name is Jasmine and my daughter name is Aliana. Like I said, she's 8 years old. I have a son named Alex. He's 10 years old. And my husband, Michael. So we've been wanting to do YouTube what my kids did for a while. I was just, too busy doing other things. But my son did a YouTube and he put little videos here and there, but I was just like, let's try it. So I was like, let's try it. It's fun because I feel like my kids are so funny and like we will bring so much laughter to everyone. And like I like makeup, I like facials, I like doing nails, so we could show a lot of things like that. I like shopping. And I could show you guys, well, we can show you a lot of things, cool things as a family, individual. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I'm continuing to do her hair and you'll see the results in a little bit. How it came out. It looks so nice. You like it?
Yeah.
So do you recommend the Revlon hairbrush?
Comment down below.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hit that like button and you'll be joining our family.
And this is a pretty good brush, so you should guys get it.
Yeah, get it.
Bye.
Bye.